You have a man?
Yeah.
Bagzam Hashem. Who's that one? Who's that one?
It's him.
Who?
Yeah, nah.
No.
No, don't do that.
Yachola. Achola yen. Achola yen. Yo. Oh wow. How many months?
It's been a few months, I can't say right now.
Oh, it's still the early months, ne?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't fight yet. It's not fight yet.
We have.
Oh, okay. But if you I wanna know it's not good for you because me, I'll make sure we don't fight. You never experience fight from me. Never.
But it's a relationship, they fight in relationships. So him and I, we just stopped speaking for a while, then we got back together, So yeah.
Oh, you go back to where it was started from. Now we has born what my option. We're like my ex.
No, we didn't break up. We just stopped speaking.
But we get busy on the other side. He was busy on the other side. When you're busy, take a break. He was continuing the journey somewhere else. He was open the stream. If things go sour, here's something sweet. So, and I know my option now. Who is that stupid? If you in relationship,
don't call him a stupid.
if we in relationship, what are we stopping for? What are we taking a break? Hey, Baba, we continue with this. Who is that stupid to
It
give you a
wasn't
break?
his fault. I'm the one who stopped speaking to him.
Yes, even though I forgive you because you cheated on me. Let's continue. We continue.
No one cheated.
What you do? Hey, do bonga. What you do?
I just started mising him because he was mising me. But then I found out that he was actually working, that's why he was
And Mazana, even if she works, she have 2 seconds to say hi. Nothing much, just to say hi. Not fuck. My brother killed. I keep on forgetting. Yes. Ish. Can I just give you my numbers, no? Yeah. Ish, let me do now. Nah, ish.
Did you change your number?
I think it's when I don't know you block me or what is happening with you?
I have your number and you're not blocked.
But I don't see your status.
Howdy, cowboy. Thank you, Samantha.
I don't see your status.
Who said I post?
Do you see my status?
Yes.
What I posted today? Exactly my point.
No.
Okay. What I posted yesterday? Okay, maybe. Okay, what status you remember from me that I posted maybe in the week?
You posted. I forgot.
Thank you, my brother. Ramazan, ham up.
Bye.